Good evening, students. Today our topic is the tense and simple present tense. So let us start our topic tense. First of all, we shall know about what is tense. Tense indicates time of a verb. Tense समयर सूचना देता है. Tense indicates whether an action, event or state is past, present or future. We can divide time into three broad divisions. They are past time, present time and future time. Let us study the following table. Write down the table on your copies about past time, present time and future time. The present tense. The present tense. There are four present tense forms in English. They are present simple, present progressive, present perfect, present perfect progressive. Present simple. Present simple. Study the following sentence pattern table and write down on your copies affirmative, negative and interrogative. Write down the structure. Points to remember. If the subject is third person like he or she, SES or IES is added to the verb. For example, he gets up early. She goes to school every day. He carries his bag. We use simple present to express habitual action. दैनंदिन अभ्यासगत कार्य विषय वर्णना करिबा पई. My mother gets up early. The shop opens at 8 o'clock. The school begins at 10 o'clock. To express general truth. चिरंतन और साधारण तथ्य बा सत्य प्रकाश करिबा पई. The sun rises in the east. The Mahanadi flows into the Bay of Bengal. The earth goes round the sun. To express scientific fact, वैज्ञानिक तथ्य प्रकाश करिबा पई water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Oil floats on water. Ice melts in the sun. To express mathematical truth, गाणितिक तथ्य प्रकाश करिबा पई 2 and 2 makes 4. Ten minus 2 is 8. To use in proverb and riddles. नीतिवाक्य ओ गुणार्थ आदि रे slow and steady wins the race. What flies but has no wings? To know about person's name, address and profession. What is your name? What is your father? Where are you from? To describe present state. वर्तमान घटना बा स्थायी अवस्था विषय रे वर्णना करिबा पई Father is in good health. He knows many languages. He is 50 years old. To use with adverb and adverbials. Like never, always, often, occasionally, usually, hardly. We never go to school on holidays. He always speaks the truth. I visit my uncle occasionally. What do you do usually on Sundays? He hardly ever goes to the temple. Using sports commentaries. Virat Kohli hammers the ball hard and sends it to all sides. He scores a quick 50, like this. Present simple is used in conditional clauses. If it rains, I shall stay at home. If you hit ice, it melts. If I make a promise, I keep it. Present simple is used to talk about writers, artists, etc. and their works. Gitanjali is Tagore's best creation. Radhanath Roy is the Wordsworth of Odisha. Present simple is used to express future actions which are fixed by timetable, program or calendar with a time adverbial. For example, the Dhauli Express reaches Bhubaneswar at 10 am. Our annual exam begins next month. The Saraswati Puja falls on 21st February 2021. There are some homework for you. Do the homework at your home. If you have any doubts, please contact me or WhatsApp me. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in brackets. Write down the homework. Complete the following sentences using the correct form of verbs given in brackets. Here is a example for you. Try to understand the example and do the homework. So please